Let's talk about class structures. This applies to any class, doesn't matter what kind of a class it is. In this case it's a view model, but it could be a component, it could be a standard class. So there's three main types of data structures that you need to declare on the root level. You can also have fields, but fields you don't declare on the root level. And the sequencing of that stuff is important. So we always put properties first, then we deal with lifecycle events, then we deal with methods. And even within the lifecycle events, there's a particular order. So let's go and just have a look at this stuff. First of all, properties. The very first thing that I see at the top of my class is my properties. I always first define the getter. So let's say get first name, right? So I always first define the getter and then I define the setter. The parameter of my setter is always called new value. It's just a convention, but it's a convention that we enforce. Then with regards to the lifecycle events, this could be your constructor, your connected callback, and then your disconnected callback. And always in this sequence. First the constructor, then the connected callback, then the disconnected callback. And after this comes your methods. So in this case I might have a preload, I might have some other utility function. So this method, you can make an argument saying, okay, but make them alphabetical and all that. We're not going to get that level of crazy. Just so that the methods are below the lifecycle events. So summary, properties first, then lifecycle events, then methods. First the getters, then the setters, first the constructor, then the connected callback, then the disconnected callback, then the methods, in what order makes most sense for your class. Alright, enjoy proper code structure.